Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a classic that's as relevant now as it was 50 years ago. I'm talking about the 4 Ps of marketing. So, buckle up as we decode the secrets behind this timeless strategy. First up, product. A product isn't just a physical item, it's the solution to your customer's problem. It encompasses everything from the design, quality, features, and even the brand name. Think about what makes your product stand out in a crowded market. Is it the unique features, the superior quality, or perhaps the brand reputation? For instance, when Apple releases a new iPhone, it's not just selling a phone. It's offering innovation, status, and connectivity, all packed into one device. It's about understanding what makes your product not just good, but irresistible. Consider the emotional and psychological benefits your product provides. Next, price. This isn't just about how much a product costs, it's about value. Pricing strategies can vary widely, from penetration pricing to skimming, and each has its own set of advantages and challenges. How does your price reflect the product's perceived value? Are you positioning your product as a premium offering or a budget-friendly option? Take, for example, Starbucks. They don't just sell coffee, they sell an experience, a lifestyle. The ambiance, the customer service, and even the brand's ethical sourcing practices all contribute to the overall value perceived by the customer. This allows them to price their products above standard market rates because the perceived value is much higher. Moving on to place. Where your product is sold can be just as crucial as the product itself. The distribution channels you choose can significantly impact your sales and customer satisfaction. It's all about accessibility and visibility. Are you selling online, in physical stores, or both? Each channel has its own set of logistics and customer expectations. Consider how Amazon revolutionized retail by selling online, reaching more customers worldwide than any brick-and-mortar store could. They've mastered the art of convenience and speed, making it easy for customers to find and purchase products with just a few clicks. Lastly, promotion. This is how you get the word out about your product. Promotion encompasses a wide range of activities, from advertising and public relations to sales promotions and personal selling. It's not just ads, it's social media, events, influencer partnerships, and more. Each promotional activity should be carefully planned and executed to ensure it reaches the target audience effectively. A great example, Nike's Just Do It campaign. It's iconic. It connects emotionally, urging their customers to push beyond their limits, aligning perfectly with the brand's image. This kind of emotional connection can turn customers into loyal brand advocates. So, whether you're a budding marketer or a curious learner, understanding these 4 Ps, product, price, place, and promotion, can give you a solid foundation in the marketing world. Each element is interconnected, and mastering them can lead to a successful marketing strategy. And if you found this insightful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for watching.